Hi everyone, my name is Elena and you're watching Marvelous Designer Tool by Tool tutorial part 25. Today I'm going to talk about press tool that you can find it in a 3D window. And what does it do? It flattens one fabric onto another. And let me tell you how it works. For example, I'm going to make another layer over this. Since it's an example, I delete its sewing and I reattach it together again. Okay. Since my thickness surface, texture is on, I can see well. Okay. Here, if I click on this sewing line, as you see, here I have custom angle because we have two types, or it can be turned or custom angle. That custom angle means that I can change its properties. For example, if I change this fold, this one is more visible. If I change it to 120, and simulate, why you cannot see it? Let me, oh. Okay. It was 180. If you see, you should take into consideration the shadows, because now you see here we have a round edge because two fabrics are attached to one another like this. Okay, now if I decrease this number, it gets pointier, as you see. Now this intensity and thickness is about how dark is this sewing line. If I change it to 5, you see, it's just about this sewing line, and because every sewing line is just a bump and it doesn't exist. That's why you can have it more tense or darker. Yes. Okay, now if I turn it to turned, let me see. Okay, now I changed it to turned. I simulate. Now if you see, I have two lines. Why? Before we had two fabrics that they were sewed like this. Now they are sewed like this. That's why when you, okay, I delete this. When you do this layer clone over, since Marvelous Designer, this software knows that one layer is going to be on another layer, it is automatically turned. So now press tool. I should Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Okay. This one I turn it into custom angle. Okay. if it shows that it doesn't show, okay, this is my angle, this is my seam tool, seam line. I told you all the words. Okay, now I use my press, it's here. Okay, every pattern, since these two are separate, it changes the color. Okay, now I'm choosing this one. First, you choose the first layer that you want to be over the other, okay? Then it disappears, not for always, it's just for now. Then you choose the next layer that you want your fabric to be on it. So I choose this. And now see, it becomes turned. And two seam line. If I go back, you see this turned, becomes custom angle. If I press it, it becomes turned, the same sewing line. And yes, that's it. This is how press tool works. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.